Hey team, welcome back to Blackmar Barbecue Tailgate Series. Today we're out at GameGuard Ranch. I'm rocking the Pearl Snap tee. We're gonna get some tacos al pastor started. We're gonna do some on the rotisserie. I'm also gonna show you how to do it on the grill if you don't have a rotisserie. It'll be kick-ass, might even make some nachos.
Every good al pastor starts with that marinated meat, and every good marinade starts with onion and garlic. Plenty of it.
All right, team. So these are pasilla, Guaillo, and a couple chipotle chilies. They're dehydrated. We're gonna get them here in this hot water, let them simmer for 20-30 minutes to rehydrate. First things first, we've got to make our marinade for the tacos al pastor. We've got our chilies, they've been simmering, they've rehydrated. We've got half a yellow onion. We've got as much garlic as I could put in here. Get that into the blender. Now we're gonna pull the stems out of these chilies and get them in the blender. Pull that out, dump out the seeds, in. So this is the base of our al pastor marinade, right? Onions, garlic, and our braised peppers. The most important thing is gonna be some Achiote paste. I could not find any at the grocery store I was going to, but they did have this Achiote powder, so we'll make our own paste. So we'll just get a couple of packets. We've got some tomato paste, and we're just gonna blend all this together. We're not going to use all the tomato paste because we do want to leave ourselves some wiggle room. And the Achiote comes from some kind of special pepper or the seed of a pepper. I don't know that much about it. I know it tastes good. To complement, we're going to go in with some cumin. Favorites all-purpose. It's just salt, pepper, garlic. Should pretty much go in everything. Yeah, we'll go in with a little more. Some vinegar to provide some contrast. Pineapple juice and orange juice. You can use just pineapple juice. You can use some kind of mixture like this. I highly recommend the pineapple orange juice personally. And we're just eyeballing it, right? The intent is to kind of make a paste. We're gonna add a little brown sugar also for some contrast. Don't go crazy with it. Oh man, down. I'm wounded. Yeah, that's pretty good. So traditionally, the al pastor taco is made with thinly sliced marinated pork on rotisserie. We're gonna try to get as close as we can to that today. This is a boneless pork butt. You can do it with bone in, although it's a pain in the ass to kind of cut around the bone and stuff. This is what they have at H-E-B. It's pre-made, it's easy. Just get it, get you a good knife. And we're gonna go for just some thin shaved slices. You can ask them to do this at the store as well, and they will. But I just think this is a little more fun.
Now it's marinade time.
Don't be shy, get your hands dirty a little bit. Foil wrap this or saran wrap it or whatever, get it in the fridge, let this marinate. You could go overnight with this, that's probably what I recommend, but we're gonna let this go for probably 6-7 hours, basically till we're hungry, and then it's go time.
While the meat is marinating, let's go ahead and make a roasted corn pico de gallo. Start off with some diced onion, jalapenos, tomatoes, cilantro, and if it tastes like soap, get over it. Now time for the most important part of any good pico de gallo, fresh lime juice. Really work those forearm muscles. Oh, fumble! Sorry, I got lineman hands. Y'all saw the ball security though, right? Y'all saw that? Yeah, we recovered well. Salt and pepper to taste. Give that the old Ish Wilson mixtape. We're going to add to the layers of flavor we're building with some fresh corn right off the grill. Just cut the corn off the cob, toss it in. Taste for seasoning, add a little salt if necessary, and try to snack on this until your meat's done. Taco condiment number 2, coming at you hot with a roasted pepper avocado salsa verde. Starts with, hint hint, some avocado. Next, the star of this is going to be some roasted peppers. I grilled these off on a high heat grill till they were charred, put them in a plastic bag, sealed it closed, let them steam in there for 10 minutes. Then you can just pull off the flaky charred stuff. It's going to be bitter. Then you just pop the stem out, and then we go in seeds and all. into the blender. It is delicious. Great depth of flavor. Cilantro, probably the most important thing to this because it's going to provide freshness and a little pop, and it's going to give it that awesome color. This is going to be a thick boy sauce, so let's go ahead and add some beer to thin it out because that never hurt nothing. Now we're going in with the cheap pre-made lime juice. I hope you squeeze your own fresh, but I ran out. Now we will behead one pineapple. Go ahead and take its feet off too. Slice that into medallions, cut the rind off. Don't worry about cutting the middle out yet because we're going to go ahead and throw this on the grill, get some color. Pineapple traditionally goes with al pastor, but I hate when people serve it with raw pineapple. Not my thing. So let's grill this off with some onion. It'll be great. If you have a rotisserie, congratulations. You now get to stab that thing through the butt of the pineapple, which will act as our base. And then repeatedly, we will sheathe that thing like Excalibur through our slices of meat. We will repeat this just like old linemen do their daily drills again and again and again. One more time. You thought we were done. Oh, we are. Just kidding, we forgot to put the last piece of pineapple on. Now, crown your king. Let that rotisserie roll, slowly carving off the nice charred bits for tacos. If you don't have a rotisserie, fire up the grill. Quickly, let's dice up our grilled pineapple. Now we're cutting the center out because it is chewy. We're going to slice up that onion. Be careful, it's going to be soft because it is cooked, but it's got lots of flavor. Dice a lot of green onion because we don't have enough green things or oniony things in these recipes yet. Lime juice, of course. Cumin and salt and pepper are the usual suspects. We're now out of utensils, so we're going to toss this. Oh baby, corn pico de gallo, grilled pineapple slaw. Let's go. Now, if you don't have the rotisserie, this is what I recommend. Take those slices of meat, throw them on that hot grill, let them get charred up. This is what our rotisserie looks like after about 10 minutes. Corn tortillas onto the hot plancha. Now we're going to slice up that freshly grilled pork, get a little taste test. It's damn good. You've got some char. It's got lots of roasty depth of flavor. It's not overly spicy, and it's actually pretty sweet from the pineapple juice and the brown sugar we put in there. Phenomenal. Let's build those tacos. Pork, our roasted pepper sauce, a little pineapple slaw, and then let's go in with some pico just to be safe because it's so damn good. Let me tell you guys, this is a winner. Corn tortilla, you got spicy sauce. The meat itself is kind of roasty and sweet. It all complements each other. Layers of flavor. Try this out. It is a winner.